and today I will show you how to cut out these simple paper snowflakes. We will need a square piece of paper. We make a square from an A4 sheet like this. In this way, we draw the diagonal, cut off the excess part. But this part, as it turns out, didn't work out, but you can make 2 more small snowflakes like I did. You see, on the table, also make 2 small squares. And we need a square piece of paper, which we fold in half, to make a triangle. I looked again at the smaller triangle and fold one part slightly, just a bit at an angle, like this, the middle part, and the second part overlapping like this. At the ends, we should have these kinds of corners at the bottom. Now we turn it over, we see there's no line here. Here it closes, we cut. Select the lower part and now cut out from this triangle. Whatever you like, this is what we get. The middle top corner is a little notch. We can cut out any kind of pattern, or just trim it like this, or cut it straight or in a semicircle, as you like. Make any designs you like on the drill. Patterns. Various semicircles, hearts. You can just make such cuts. The more cuts you have, the prettier your snowflake will look. Well, let's see. We can still trim a bit. Now we can unfold or stack. And we end up with a snowflake like this. All snowflakes turn out differently. And you don't know when cutting what it will turn out like. That's why it's all like this. A little bit of magic. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Likes and all the best to you with the upcoming new year.